Hi everyone, good morning, how are you all doing today? Today we are going to be looking at the humble cauliflower. So the cauliflower, I guess, over the last 10 years has really been ignored as a vegetable. You might have a little bit on your roast dinner, but in the last couple of years it's really made a presence with low carb diets, because obviously he's quite versatile and it can replace rice and mashed potato. We've been making pizza bases out of cauliflower. So we've really been using it a lot with low carb diets, which is great. So yeah, I'm going to use it again today, but this time we're going to put him in a soup. Cauliflower soup. This one is really easy to do. It's only got a few ingredients, but it tastes delicious. And I won't be using any dairy in it today, so I'm going to be using some coconut milk. So this one is for vegans as well, so if you wanted to stay low carb on a vegan diet, we do have some fab recipes here as well for that. So anyway, let's get started, I guess. We'll start again as usual with the food prep and yeah, just go through the whole recipe. I hope you enjoy it. It's a great soup, especially for over winter. It's nice and herby, so it feels nice and comforting. But anyway, enjoy. Let's get cooking. Just a few ingredients in it and it is delicious. It's lovely and herby. I love that sage that really comes through. It's yummy. And so I'm going to enjoy this now for my lunch. I hope you enjoy it too. Please do click subscribe to our channel for more amazing low carb veggie recipes. We will be adding more weekly now. So yeah, click that subscribe button and I'll see you on the next one. Hope you enjoy.